Oh my God. So we have I have a lot of people in my inbox asking me if they should buy or sell GameStop or AMC right now. So the thing about those companies, you got to understand what's actually happening right now. So we're witnessing history at this point. So essentially, the big hedge funds are getting cyberbullied by a gang of traders that were on Reddit. And these traders, man, they're killing it. They're making so much money right now, especially because they got in early in the game. If for someone new, you have to decide if it's worth the risk. But yeah, let me get more into what's happening. So there are so many people in this position holding and buying up all the contracts, all the stocks. These are call options from options trading and the stocks. Remember that. So many people, millions of people buying this stock and pushing the value up against these hedge funds, and we're overpowering the hedge funds right now. And right now, with that going on, essentially these hedge funds are losing money. So the higher the stock goes, the more likely are likely to close out their positions. So basically what they're trying to accomplish is make these hedge funds close out their position and lose their money, which would shoot up the value, and essentially have us make more money beating them at their own game. So anyway, we're manipulating the markets this time. It's not just the hedge funds. If we get enough people in the game, then but yeah, essentially they're trying to win, and now it seems like the hedge funds are trying to bully us now by talking to companies like Robinhood. That, I mean, I'm not saying it's happening, but it is a big possibility that that's what's going on. That the hedge funds are more likely making these companies close out their stocks, keeping us from buying up more stocks. We can't, because currently we can't buy any more stocks of AMC, Nokia, or GameStop right now from platforms like Robinhood. But from what I found, you can with Webull right now if you wanted to. But yeah, you really, really want to understand what you're getting involved with in a situation, because technical analysis and fundamental analysis no longer exists. Because think, for example, GameStop. We know this company hasn't been doing well. There is no reason this stock should be shooting up. No, Nokia, same thing. They have reports. They have done nothing different. There is no way you can really analyze or predict what's happening. You are 100% gambling at this point, taking a risk. So you have to decide if this is worth the risk for you. If you decide you want to invest in this shit, this is your opportunity. If you want to take advantage, hey, it's all up to you. This is your game. But for those that got in early and they are holding, hey, congrats to you. You're in. You're in the perfect seat. And I know it's not easy. And now, right now, you're probably noticing that all those stocks, they dipped hard. GameStop, what did it do? It went to like what, over 440 or something. I forgot what the price was this morning, and then it dropped down to like 120 or something, and now it's at 200 something. What it could have happened is they probably shook the market by making it dip to try to scare out the investors. It is a possibility. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that's what's happening, but maybe it's shooting up again. Maybe it's not. But we will see. Time will tell. But I'm definitely excited. And before I forget, for someone new to investing, you got to be able to assess the risk. Am I willing to lose everything? And at the end of the day, you only want to risk what you can afford to lose at this point, anyways. If you don't want to put in the risk, then don't do it. But at the same time, understand what you're getting involved with, and it helps more to actually be educated on the subject. If you're not experienced with stocks, I definitely wouldn't get in at all, personally. For someone with experience, it's still shaky anyway, so you really, really, really gotta assess the risk on your own and decide for yourself if this is worth it. And if you want to get involved with stocks, you should start. honestly. Get informed, get as informed as possible. Learn the subject, master it if you can. Take your time with it. But don't just jump in just because you see everyone else an opportunity spiking. You have to be willing to learn sometimes, especially when it's your money on the line. Learn to be the master of your money.